technical safety requirements have some of the same attributes that we discussed for functional safety requirements. These attributes are ASIL, fault-tolerant time interval, and description of safe state transition. The technical safety requirements inherit ASILs from the functional safety requirements. Because the safety requirements for the lane departure warning were ASIL C, the technical safety requirements are ASIL C as well. The only exception is the last requirement for testing memory. This requirement is ASIL A because the standard says that the latent fault detection for ASIL C requirements can be labeled ASIL A. It would be possible to decompose ASILs as we did for the functional safety concept. Fault-tolerant time intervals might need to be adjusted for each technical safety requirement. But for the purposes of this discussion, we will use the fault-tolerant time intervals from the functional safety requirement. So for all of the technical safety requirements of the lane departure warning function, the time interval shall be 50 milliseconds. Once again, the technical safety requirements for memory test is an exception. Here, the fault-tolerant time interval would take into account the time to check for memory corruption and the failure of the system to detect the memory corruption. The system will do this on startup. We can consider the fault-tolerant time interval to be the length of the vehicle ignition cycle. The safe state for all of these faults is that the lane departure warning talk request amplitude shall be set to 0. We are providing a table with the results we have so far. With the technical safety requirements defined, the next step is to allocate these requirements to the system architecture.